Chokos are in season. They've been in season for the last 4 weeks. They're also known as a vegetable pear or a mango squash. They all grow through the eastern seaboard. They plant them in spring and they go from autumn through to winter. They started in Central America and the Spanish took them to Europe. Chokos have a very mild flavour and are often compared to a marrow, so they take on the flavours that you add to them. And as you can see, it's an ivory colour inside and they tend to go from ivory to a pale green.
They are quite thick inside. There's a lot to them, so just makes them part of the enjoyable dinner. There's a lot there to eat. People like to see something different, try a different variety of vegetable, and they just, shot out of nowhere. Became popular. They weren't popular when we were growing up. They were just something that used to grow in the back tree in the backyard. We just throw them around and went, But now, $60 a box and selling like hotcakes.
So they are great accompaniment with stir fries or a stew. They can be used as a relish, a base for relish. So you can slice them and deep fry them, or you can cook them with some salt and pepper and butter, or you can also boil them, take the skin off, boil them, and just put some oil and accompany them with some meat or chicken or lamb.
When Mum cooks them up, they're beautiful. She bakes them, bit of oil on them, bit of salt, or she can boil them as well. Same thing, bit of oil, bit of salt, and we just enjoy it next to a steak. Nice family dinner. You'd have to be pretty game to eat them raw, but each to their own.
Go to sydneymarkets.com.au and you can find some lovely recipes for chokos. You can find a choko, cabbage and chicken laska stir fry, coconut curry, veggie and oyster mushroom ramen with some chokos. Go down to your local greengrocer where you can find some lovely green chokos and you can add them to any of your warm winter dishes.
They're all sold, mate. They've got to go. So we've got to hurry, wrap it up. Thanks, champion.